Hi everyone, welcome to this high win rate trading strategy tutorial. In this video, I wanna going to show you the best way to maximum win rate trading. This strategy is very profitable and high win rate confirm. It's very simple strategy with two indicator combination, and this strategy work very well with all the platforms like Forex, crypto, stock, option and others. And also it's work with 1 minute to 4 hour time frames. You can apply this high win rate trading strategy immediately on your trading platform after watching this video. So let's get started. So first, from the TradingView asset library, I select Ethereum USDT and 15-minute time frames. And from the asset library, now I trade with cryptocurrency Ethereum on Binance. You can select your platform asset from here because it's very important. So now I have to add two indicator. So I go indicator library. So first I add two EMA. So I simply write here EMA. On side right here EMA, we can see one indicator name is moving average expansional. So I need two different length EMA. So want to add two times the EMA indicator on my chart. And now I have to setting up this indicator. So first I need 100 length EMA. So I simply change the default length 9 to 100, and for looks more attractive I just simply change the color to yellow and also change the thickness. And the second length EMA I want to keep it 9 and the style make it white and make it more bolder. So now I have to add the main indicator 10 meter. So I simply go again indicator library, and from here I simply write here 10 meter. On side right here 10 meter, you can see one indicator 10 meter by Liz MC. So I simply click to add on my chart and simply close the indicator library. So now I have to setting the 10 meter indicator. So I go simply 10 meter indicator setting, and from here I have to increase all the opacity. So I simply increase this opacity, this one, this one, this one, and the 10 meter one, also for red color, and 10 meter 2 also for the red color, also 10 meter 3 also for the red color, and also the 10 bar 1 and also for the red color, and also 10 bar 1 thick line also for the red color, and also 10 bar 2 thin line also for the red color, and the 10 bar 2 thickness line and also for the red color, and simply OK to save. Okay, we have successfully added and setting up our indicator and it's ready for cash signal. Also, I see some accurate signal in this chart. Really, it's working very perfectly. Now I want to teach you how to you can cash signal with the two indicator combination. So first, let's introduce with the indicator momentum. For 109 EMA, if the price go above 109 EMA, in this time we just take buy signal, and when the price going to below 109 EMA, in this time we just take sell signal. And also we avoid trade if the two EMA crossing each other like this. So let's introduce with 10 meter momentum. So 10 meter indicator has four parts: red dots and green dots and red lines and green lines. So if the same column all the green dots and all the green line match it, that means it's going to happen a strong buy signal. And if the same column all red dots and all the red lines matched, that means it's going to happen a strong sell signal. So let's see how to you can generate buy and sell signal with two indicator momentum combination. For buy signal, if the price go above 109 EMA, in this time all the green dots and green line matched, that means it's a buy signal. for sell signal if the price go below 109 EMA and the same times all the red dots match with all the red line, that means it's a sell signal. So let's go with live chart and exit strategy. In this chart the price is above 109 EMA and also all the green dots match with all the green lines, that means it's a buy signal. So our entry point will be here and the stop loss will be last swing low, and the first profit target will be 1 time from the stop loss and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see the price is successfully hit our profit target 1, and after few the price is successfully hit our profit target 2, and it's count as a successful trade. And if you have a risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target. So let's go with another example. In this chart the price is below 109 EMA and also all the red dots match with all the red line, that means it's a sell signal. So we take short position here and our stop loss will be last swing high, and the first profit target will be 1 time from the stop loss and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after a few price is trying to grow down and successfully hit our profit target 1, and let's see what's happened next. And after few you can see the price is successfully hit our profit target 2. So let's go with another example. In this chart the price is right now stay above 109 EMA and also all the green dots match with all the green line, that means it's buy signal. So we take long position here and our stop loss will be last swing low, and the first profit target will be 1 time from the stop loss and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after a few the price is successfully hit our profit target 1, and after a few again reverse back, and let's see what's happened. And finally hit our profit target 2 as well. And another thing, all the time the price will hit the profit target 2, it's not guarantee. Sometimes just hit the profit target 1. So let's go with another example. So in this chart the price is above 109 EMA and also all the green dots match with all the green line, that means it's our buy signal. So we take long position here and our stop loss will be last swing low, and the first profit target will be 1 time from the stop loss and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after a few the price is successfully hit our profit target 1 and finally hit our profit target 2, and it's count as another successful trade. So if you have risk management knowledge you can increase your profit target. And another thing, we avoid all the red and green confirmation dots from first layer. Okay, hope you guys understand how you can catch signal with the trend meter and EMA indicator. Really it's high win rate confirm. So if you really love the high win rate trading strategy system, you can give a like on the video. Your like will motivate me always to discover new profitable trading system. And if you have any question you can comment below, and if you want to get more useful tutorial like this you can subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.